Hello. We would like to introduce the FKP School District Committee members for our collaborative technology plan. First, our committee members are Michelle Nickerson-Key, our director, Catherine Fisher, our budget finance manager, and Crystal Pinchback, our record and meeting coordinator. And today we would like to introduce our collaborative technology plan. First, it's important to look at our mission for creating this plan. The mission is for readiness for a digital environment. The FKP School District's mission is to provide each student and district affiliations with ultimate learning tools and devices in readiness for a digital environment dedicated to ensuring excellence in achievement, behavior, culture, and personnel. As the devices are distributed and delivered to each elementary, middle, and high school, a seminar will be scheduled to assist the leaders to implement the devices into the curriculum to develop productive members and learners of society. Our hope is to ensure excellence, achievement, behavior, culture, and personnel to prepare our students for the 21st century. So let's take a look at how we're going to make this happen. First, we're going to look at SMART goal number 1, integrating digital devices. By the end of March 2020, our goal is to fully incorporate digital tools, internal and external, for classroom instruction. We will use technology to facilitate effective communication with students, faculty, staff, and the general public. We will allocate funds for teachers to become certified on social media platforms to meet other expenses for our teachers and our leaders. Next, we're going to look at SMART goal number 2, engaging student learners. We will engage students using iPads, desktops, and interactive whiteboards to create presentations and collaborate with other students. We will also connect these tools through the 21st century learning. 21st century learning skills include collaboration, communication, creativity, and/or critical thinking. Through collaboration, we will encourage students to communicate with outside experts, stakeholders, global learners, and work with each other digitally and face-to-face. With communication, instructors will be able to communicate with students in a more personal way through personalized lesson plans and seminars. Creatively, students will be able to think outside of the box using resources and learning materials. In the area of critical thinking, students will learn to think, to generate, and to apply new digital technology to generate a positive outcome. Next, in SMART goal number 3, will be increasing technology literacy. Students will be able to improve their communication skills by working together and collaborating on projects that go beyond the classroom through implementation of professional learning networks and social media. It's important when looking at this SMART goal that we also take time to look at the ISTE standards and why it is important for our students, teachers, and administrators to integrate technology. First, looking at teachers, it's important with the ISTE standards that first, they are learners. It's important to establish a learning culture, designing authentic learning activities, and analyzing students' progress. As students, they are becoming an empowered learner, becoming a digital citizen, collaborating globally, and communicating creatively. As administrators, it is important that through digital learning, they're becoming visionary planners, empowering leaders, and connecting learners. I'd like to take the time to share with the references that were used to create this digital technology plan.